Hi and hello and welcome to Royal Leamington Spa in the heart of Warwickshire, a beautiful, prosperous town called Leamington Spa. We're going to be riding down the parade, the B4087. This is a super wide high street right in the heart of Warwickshire, known for its wide boulevards, the parade, the gorgeous Georgian and Edwardian architecture. You got these high, bright white walls. It is super luxurious when just looking around you. How can I say this? It's pleasing to the eye just to be here and look around and absorb the beauty all around me. It's the beauty that attracts people in the first place, and it's the character that makes them stay and keep coming back for more, because this place is full of unique boutique shops as well as the normal high street brands. You have some unique local businesses that have created boutiques on every corner of Leamington Spa. You can walk down these high streets and you're going to find a unique store, unique shop, boutique, also restaurants and bars. Actually, I did discover a very exclusive beer garden, and I will tell you about that on the next videos to come. Leamington Spa is very, very special to me because I came here on a school trip back in 1987, and since then this has always been had a very soft spot within myself. The town contains especially fine assemblies of Regency architecture, particularly in parts of the Parade, Clarendon Square and Lansdowne Circus. The town also contains several large public parks such as Jefferson Gardens, I love that place, the Royal Pump Room Gardens, and also Victoria Park. Although originally founded around its spa industry, Leamington today has developed into a centre for retail and digital industries, which has gained it the moniker Silicon Spa. In 2023, the Sunday Times named Leamington as the best place to live in the Midlands, and I do personally agree with that because some of the streets here are really nice. In 2021 census, Leamington Spa had a population of 50,000 people. Leamington is adjoined with the neighbouring towns of Warwick and Whitnash and the village of Covington. Also, Stratford-upon-Avon is also on the doorstep of Leamington Spa, surrounded by Wellesbourne, Kenilworth and Coventry. This is a majestic city which everybody likes to come to. If you do come here, you can also visit Stratford-upon-Avon, which is Shakespeare Town. This is only a quick ride through the parade. Because of the roadblock, I will be leaving this video right here. We are just coming up to the famous theatre on my left-hand side right here. I am heading down to the famous train station of Leamington Spa, which I will also cover on the next video. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.